Just like that, we are back here at Luxe Automotive in Salt Lake City. Today we drove the Ford Raptor, and right behind this garage is my brand new Ford Bronco. Luxe just finished up the full wrap on it, but before we go in, this will be my fourth car that we've had done here at Luxe. First we had my Ford Raptor, which you can see behind me, fully wrapped in Xpel Stealth. Then we had my wife's Tesla Model Y, which we also did a full Xpel Stealth wrap. And then more recently, we did my Audi R8. And today, we're gonna go inside, we're gonna check out the Bronco and see the transformation that they made. So let's go inside. What's up, Sawyer? Oh, I love the color. It's really good. It looks really good. Check out the bronze wheels. They look really good with the blue. I was worried this would take away too much of the color. It doesn't at all.
So good. You can even see in here. It's fully matched.
Come check it out. That way when the roof comes off, it'll all look stealth.
That looks
That'll
good.
look really good.
Oh yeah.
Dang, it looks...
It turned out so good.
That is so cool. I forgot how small it looks too. And then these all got done in gloss, right?
Yep.
So we kept the black in gloss and the front. This is protected in gloss. Wow.
Yeah, the bronze wheels look way good.
Well, here we have it, my 2021 Ford Bronco First Edition, finished in Area 51 with Xpel Stealth over the top. We got it outside next to the Raptor. So we got both Xpel Stealth vehicles looking really good out here under the clouds. And I love how it pops on the gray, but I love how it pops on this Area 51 grayish blue color. My favorite part though is the wheels. Thank you to Black Rhino. Again, this is the Black Rhino Aliso wheel. I think the gloss bronze ties in really well and contrasts with the satin finish on the paint. Couldn't be happier with how this turned out. Thank you to Luxe, and it's really cool to see both the Bronco and the Raptor together in Xpel Stealth.